Hello and welcome. I'm Zaman, your digital marketing consultant with my new course that is Google SEO Fundamentals for Beginners. In this course, we will cover everything you need to know to get started with SEO and improve your website's ranking on search engine results pages. Our Google SEO Fundamentals course for beginners is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of SEO and its various components. Whether you are an entrepreneur, marketer, or simply curious about how search engines work, this course will help you gain a solid foundation in SEO. So the course begins with an overview of SEO and its importance in today's digital landscape. We will cover the different types of SEO, including on-page, off-page, and technical SEO, and how each one contributes to a website's ranking. You will also learn about various search engines, including Google, Bing, and Yahoo, and how they differ from one another. Next, we will dive into keyword research, which is the foundation of any SEO strategy. You will learn how to identify the right keywords to target, how to analyze search volumes, and how to use keyword research tools to optimize your content for SEO. We will then move on to on-page optimization, which involves optimizing your website's content and the structure of your website for search engines. You will learn how to write optimized content, create meta tags and description, and optimize images and videos for search engines. After on-page optimization, we will cover off-page optimization, which involves building backlinks to your website from other authoritative websites. You will also learn how to identify high quality backlink opportunities, how to create backlink strategy, and how to measure the effectiveness of your backlinks. So finally, we will cover technical SEO, which involves optimizing your website's technical aspects such as its speed, mobile friendliness, and security. You will learn how to perform a technical SEO audit, fix common technical issues, and optimize your website for mobile devices. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of SEO fundamentals and be able to implement an effective SEO strategy for your website. You will also receive a certificate of completion, which you can use to showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. So enroll in our Google SEO Fundamentals course for beginners today and take the first step towards improving your website's ranking on search engines.